Got an eye on Newton Protocol and its Newt token? Thinking face, you're smart to be curious about where all those tokens are going. Tokenomics, or how a crypto's supply is allocated and distributed, is a huge factor in a project's long-term health. Today, we're breaking down the full token allocation for Newton Protocol so you can see exactly where every Newt token is earmarked to go. Tokenomics at a glance. The Newt token has a fixed total supply of 1 billion tokens. There are no plans for new issuance or burning mechanisms, so that number will stay the same forever. The token allocation is split into two main buckets, community and internal. Community allocations, a whopping 60% of the total supply, is dedicated to the community. This includes everything from airdrops to rewarding validators who secure the network. Internal allocations, the remaining 40%, is allocated to core contributors, early backers, and the team at Magic Labs, the company behind the protocol's initial infrastructure. Let's dive into the specifics of each category. Community allocations. First up, the community's share. This is what helps the ecosystem grow and stay decentralized. Initial airdrop and community rewards, 10% of the total supply, or 100 million tokens, were allocated for early adopters and community participants. This was a key part of the launch strategy to get tokens into the hands of real users. On-chain ecosystem growth fund, 15.5%, is for long-term ecosystem growth. This fund is used for future airdrops, marketing campaigns, and other incentives to attract new users and developers. On-chain ecosystem development fund, 12.5%, goes to this fund, which is used to support projects and developers building on the Newton Protocol. Think grants and other funding initiatives to foster innovation. Network rewards, 8.5%, is set aside for network validators. This is crucial for maintaining the security and integrity of the protocol through its delegated proof-of-stake consensus. On-chain foundation treasury, 9.5%, is held in the foundation treasury. This is the operational budget for the project, used to fund ongoing development and strategic initiatives. Liquidity, a small but vital 4%, is allocated for providing liquidity on exchanges and DEXs, ensuring a healthy and stable market for the Newt token. Internal allocations briefcase. The remaining 40% is for the people who built and funded the protocol. All of these allocations have a 12-month cliff followed by a 24-month linear vesting schedule, meaning none of these tokens were unlocked at launch. This is a common practice to ensure that the team and investors are committed for the long haul. Core contributors, 18.5% of the supply, is for the core team that developed the protocol. This incentivizes them to continue building and improving the network over time. Early backers, 16.5%, is for the early investors who provided the initial capital to get the project off the ground. Magic Labs, 5%, is allocated to Magic Labs, the company that developed the initial infrastructure and design of the protocol. So, while the fully diluted value might look large, the actual circulating supply at launch was much lower, with only the community-focused allocations like the airdrop, network rewards, and liquidity being immediately available. This planned, gradual release helps prevent a massive token dump at the start and supports long-term growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.